Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a user on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just go to your search button and type for settings. Then just open up settings from the best match. Then from here on the left hand side, just go to accounts. And from accounts, what you want to do is just scroll down a bit and go other users. And from here, just click on add account. Then just wait for it to load. And there are two ways of creating an account. One is using a Microsoft email, or you can just skip the online process and create an offline account. Just click on I don't have this person's information right now because I want to create an offline account. Then just wait. After that, click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Then just give it a name, for example, Dinosaur. And after that, if you want a password, just add a password. And if you don't want a password, just keep it empty and click on next. And there you go, a local account has been created. And basically that is how to add a user to your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.